Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Julian's first Section 8 rental property. Guys, Julian has never been here. He actually lives out of the country in Mexico, but he was able to do this with my team, and I'm super fired up for him. Guys, Julian bought this house for $35,000. The rehab here was $50,000, and we did a lot of exterior work, we did mechanical work, and we did a lot of interior work. Now, one thing to note about this property, he bought it as a 2-bedroom. So he's all into it for $85,000 as a 2-bedroom. But what we did, we turned it from a 2-bedroom into a 4-bedroom. We added 2 bedrooms. Now, not a lot of 2-bedroom layouts can facilitate the addition of 2 extra bedrooms. We found a house that could, and he took advantage of it. So this house he's into for $85,000 is going to rent for somewhere between $1,300 and $1,400 a month. Come on in, I'll show you around. So as you can imagine, buying a house for $35,000, not a lot of money. And it looks amazing. I mean, I'm thrilled at how it turned out. Now, a lot of the trim work and finish work still has to be completed here before it goes up on market. But I want to walk you through it and just so you can see a little bit about what we did here. So first right here, this big room was a big living room. What we did was we built a wall here in the living room and walled it off, put a brand new door here, built a closet, and created bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1 is going to be really, it's the 3rd bedroom in the home. You come out of bedroom number 1, and this area was also part of the living room and kind of a dining area. What we did was we walled this off, added a door, built a closet here as well, and now we have 2 bedrooms that both make sense. So we have 2 bedrooms right when you come in that make sense, that otherwise you wouldn't even have thought that they weren't part of the home. So you have a home on a great street, by the way. I couldn't be more excited about the home. This will be covered up. This is a faux fireplace. This will be removed and covered. We don't leave any fireplaces open for any tenants. But you walk through here, we put a new vanity in the bathroom as well. All new flooring in the kitchen. So new kitchen flooring. Still have to do some of the finish work in the kitchen. This will be the last thing that we do. Put a new hood vent in here. Obviously new door going into this bedroom as well. So everything, guys, really came out great here. I'm fired up for Julian and what this turned into. So as we walk to the end of the hallway, we have the 2 original bedrooms. So we have bedroom 1 right here, good sized bedroom. This was part of the original home. And bedroom number 2 of the original home, which is bedroom number 4. So being able to take a 2-bedroom home and turn it into a 4-bedroom and still be into the home for a 2-bedroom price is pretty unbelievable. And if you guys watch the channel, you understand a lot of times when we do 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, we're spending a lot more money to do them because we have to buy more house. We have to buy more square footage. So finding a 2-bedroom home that can facilitate the addition of 1 extra bedroom is an unbelievable deal. Never mind 2. This is a rarity. And even for me, who does this daily, and I'm in the trenches every day with clients, holding their hands, looking for properties, seeing where our best value is, we don't come across these very often. So I'm really, really happy for Julian. I'm excited for Julian. And he's going to make a lot of money on rent in this particular unit. And guys, you know, when it comes to being able to facilitate projects like this, whether you're in the United States or out of the United States, if you want to be able to do it and do it successfully, send me an email below. You need the team. And my teams specialize in Section 8. They specialize in onboarding properties like this for out-of-state investors, doing the rehabs that we need to do in order to get the most amount of money from the units, but also to make sure that the units are livable, to make sure we're making ethical, moral decisions that are surrounded in what we're trying to do. So everybody can win when we do something like this. That's why Section 8 is really so great, because you as the owner make a lot of money, and as the landlord, the money's guaranteed, and the tenant gets a beautiful place like this to live where they get a fresh start and they get to have a home that they're proud of and they can take pride in. So if you guys want to be a part of that and do it the right way, send me an email in the description below. We'll get started. And guys, as always, questions, comments, leave them below, and we'll see you next time.